Garage doors are designed to provide convenient access for easy shut and open. Vegetables are stabilized and sliced to peel off skin with robotic shears. Hydraulic powered bucket unloads grains at factory for further processing. A hand-ranked cloth wringer can remove more water than twisting it by hand. Snowy roads can easily be cleaned with powerful snowblower. A semi-automated machine is being used to make vermicelli with sliding cutter. Concrete pump makes easier for transferring liquid concrete by pumping where it is needed. Hydraulic arms uproots the tree stumps with the help of mini tractor. A shaft-operated ice drilling machine used before ice fishing. An automatic straw baler machine compresses straw into bales for easy storage. An excavator machine cuts large trees that can rapidly gather and cut it before felling. Fabric printing machine uses both heat and pressure to permanently bond the inks to the fibers of clothes. A rusted nut bolt firstly cutted and then punched out with specially designed tool. Bunch of bananas is being cutted by smart and fast workers. Robotic arms coming from different directions shapes a metal coil spring. Mini engine operated snow removal equipment can clean snow from road. Hydraulic rock breakers can reduce large rocks into smaller rocks. These machines are widely used in mining industry. Concrete pump makes construction work easier by transferring concrete flood. Dung manure is spreaded with rotating arms to make soil fertility. An automatic CNC machine makes car tire rims to a desired shape. These workers are as fast as a robot can do. An induction coil makes the extreme power to seal red burning metal. A roof rake is used to pull snow down. These are 20 to 25 feet long for easy operation. A rusty nut bolt first cutted by drill machine and then can be unscrewed easily. Liquid propane is burnt in hot air balloon to make inside air hot because warmer air rises in cooler air. A vacuum-powered packaging preserves food for longer time by removing the air before sealing. A rotating shaft makes the metal to a desired shape. rotating arm speeds the concrete and smoothes layer while road construction. A rotary grapple cuts the snow with rotating arms to make a drinking hole. Multiple wood sticks are assembled in rack and then cutted into pieces with chainsaw. Hovercraft-like machine smooths concrete layer and gives perfect finishing. I would not be impressed by technology until I can download this yummy food. Jokes apart. Multiple wires hooked to a spinning contraption for compatible braiding. Soil digging is the initial process before a new borewell. A motor-operated floor mill with rotating shaft can grind and break down the grains into small pieces. A core cutting machine with water source is capable to make round-shaped holes on concrete. A smartly designed metallic stairs are assembled on truck for easy climbing. A leveler jack decides best position for cupboard mounting. A rotating mechanism makes easier strip packaging. A motor-operated wood cutter makes the wood into sawdust foam. A powerful snow blower machine cleans road snow and collects into a container. A tractor-operated arm shoots out hay for rapid feed distribution. Motor-operated rotating tree saw can cut tree at lightning fast speed. An automatic bearing assembling machine can do its job perfectly. Motor-operated mortar works faster than a knife to crush nuts and herbs. A tractor-operated rotary ploughing machine is being used for initial cultivation. A sheet metal punching machine can cut sheet metal by applying a great enough shearing force. A kitchen knife is being used for perfect haircut. Borewell drilling machines are huge borewell machines used to drill water well, oil well and natural gas extraction. Waste shredders are machines utilized in recycling and waste processing applications. A small plant cutting tool specially designed for home gardening.